Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you have not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe now. Okay, cool. All right, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix this atrocious looking closure because I woke up not too long ago and this is how my closure looks. Have this ever happened to you? Okay guys, so this is from UNICE hair. This is their Guysssss hair in Indian natural wave, and I highlighted this hair actually on my channel, so check that out. I'm going to leave the link to that at the top of the video. So first I'm going to be applying the wig. I want to show you guys how I do this. So I use a natural wig cap, and I'm going to be using my powder foundation. Any powder foundation that you use is fine. I'm just going to be using my MAC skin finish along with my Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty bronzer, and I'm putting that on top of the wig cap. So once I put the wig on, this is how it looks. Crazy at first. And once I put it on, I usually just go ahead and start parting it, and then I want to show y'all how my part looks up close. So this is how it looks. As you guys can see, that little piece of hair in the front, I want to get rid of that. So I'm gonna actually be taking out some of the hairs that I feel like can go, that are making my part look a little funny. I took out that little piece of hair, and now I'm using this Frisbee Gone product. This is like a oil that I use in my hair whenever I wand my hair. It doesn't weigh it down. It's like super, it's just great, and it smells so good. I'm gonna leave the name of the product down below. So first I just section my hair off, and I just take one little section and I wand that, and then I go ahead and work on another section, and I keep doing this all throughout my hair. As you guys are gonna see throughout the video, that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing. And then I take my Sebastian Shaper Plus spritz. This is a brushable spritz, so it doesn't make your hair super hard. And I take that every time I wand a section, and I spray that on there. This is very important. I want to show you guys this. This is a hot comb that you plug in. It's not the old type of hot combs that you use on your stove, but this one you actually plug it in, so it's portable. It's just great. I love it. And I use this to make sure the hairs at the top of my wig are super flat, instead of using a flat iron, because sometimes that can leave lines in your hair. So that's a tip. Make sure you get one of those from the beauty supply store. And I'm just gonna continue hot combing and going through the top of my hair, which I feel like needs it the most. After I washed this wig, it was a little bit thicker at the top, so I needed to make sure it's like a little flatter once I wanded it. So I'm gonna finish wanding the hair, and then this is how one side looks so far. I'm going to go ahead and get that out the way while I section and wand the other side of my hair off camera. And pretty much this is how it looks once I was finished. It's so pretty. I love how this hair came out. I really want you guys to check out that video as well. I'm gonna leave the card again up top. So this is how my part is looking right now. I'm just going to do a little teeny weeny adjustment because I want you guys to see how you can make your wig look super natural without doing the most. Take a little piece of hair. This is really just for closures, not necessarily frontals. Take a little piece of hair and cut it in. Just cut a little piece so it's like a little teeny piece, like a little baby hair. Use a toothbrush and get some gel and just swoop it. Just a little swoop. That's it. You don't need nothing too crazy. And that literally makes all the difference, guys. This is how I wear my closure wigs. They're super simple, super easy. So make sure you guys know that you don't have to do the most. But check out UNICE. I do have a discount code down below. I want you guys to check them out. And I also leave all the link to the hair down below. And also check out the video of me highlighting the hair. Like, it was pretty simple, easy method. And also don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and leave me a comment. Don't forget to leave me a comment. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye guys.